As I grow older, I realized that everything will look good, will feel good, you will be comfortable with, depending on your acceptance of things and your perspective. How do you look at things? Diba? Kung lahat na lang ng bagay ay bibigyan mo ng masamang kahulugan, ikaw rin na magsasuffer. So take everything in stride with joy and gladness and gratitude in your heart. Good morning! Happy Mother's Day, everyone! All mothers, natays, mama, papa. Anyway, lahat po ng mga nilalang na nagsilbing nanay sa kanilang mga anak. Happy Mother's Day to all of you. Happy Mother's Day to my daughter as well. Sa aking mga manugang. Siyempre, come join me. I have my coffee. Once a day na lang po ako nagko-coffee ngayon. Sa ganitong oras lang para hindi pa masyadong mainit ang panahon. Now, my leftover ginataang langka with tinapa, leftover rice, my bread, and my banana saba, uncooked, and my dates. Yan. Buti pa yung pagkain ko, my date. Ako, walang date. Join me guys. How have you been? Unang subo, as usual, para sa'yo kung sino ka man. Ayan. May banana na uncooked, pero hinog. Mas marami po itong potassium. So, don't cook your saba banana from time to time. Unruly hair, okay lang yan. Hindi pa kasi ako nagdaday ng hair ko. So, tali muna. Tsaka sobrang init. Palaman na natin. Siyempre, spread natin siya. Ayan. 2 pirasong tinapay po is enough. Okay? Huwag kayong kakain masyado ng maraming tinapay dahil yung carbohydrates intake nyo naman ang matatama. Okay? Sarap kaya. Well, Happy Mother's Day, everyone! Have a great day and a blissful Sunday. I love you all.